What's good, people? Saturday morning, blah, 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 blah. Guess what? I got me an Apple Watch. Why? Why not? Why not? Because, you know what? I like gadgets. It was my birthday yesterday. I didn't have anything better to do, so I said, you know what? Let's buy me a little toy. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty neat. The fact that I can make phone calls from my wrist, it's freaking amazing. Sprint got this nice little deal right now. I don't know if every other company does, but Sprint got this nice little deal, or they all do. 2-3 month free. And then after that, it's $15 a month. Whatever. So the fact that it's not just an extension to my, phone, but it's standalone. It's freaking amazing. Downloaded some of my music, my iCloud music, connected my AirPods to it, and pretty much left my phone at home. And, you know, played music, made phone calls, shit, saw my texts, which is like, I don't know, why do I have a phone now? I don't know, but I have it because I have it. It's pretty freaking awesome. I can't wait to see what else they do with this technology. I can't make, you know what, maybe they'll do like FaceTime or something like that off your wrist, which that will be cool as hell. Can you imagine that? FaceTime from your wrist? Somebody already probably does it already, and I'm just behind the times. Man, I'm psyched. Call me. You know what? I want to be doing that. Just recording YouTube video right off my wrist. Live from my wrist. Nothing else. Nothing else. No camera, no tripod, no anything, no phone. Just right off my wrist. Just communicating with my people. You. Anyways, that's it. It's pretty short and sweet. Apple Watch Series 3. Awesome, on point. Not doing any unboxing. This is the only little review that I'm going to do. It's the shiznits. I love it. I love it. Shit. Can't wait to see what else is coming up. Technology is amazing. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm so excited I'm gonna leave my phone home all day again. Why not? I don't need it. I think the battery life lasts like, you know, I don't know. I'll let you know how long the battery life lasts if I'm just texting and calling all day with this stupid thing. I'm loving it. Bye phone. Bye Felicia. Bye iPhone. It's your boy. About 3 to 4 minutes into a video. No cut, no edit on anything. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you hate about me. It only make me freaking better and stronger. So, stay tuned. I'm coming back stronger and longer. I'm out. Peace. Boom for the second time.